2020, one of the biggest names in K-pop, V of BTS unexpectedly became involved in a major legal dispute between HYBE and Minhyejin, but without BTS V any knowledge or consent. So what happened is that the legal document that shared by HYBE and Minhyejin team in court included text messages exchanged between V and Minhyejin. These text messages were submitted by Minhyejin legal team and accepted by the court as evidence, and the message showed V responding to Minhyejin discussion regarding allegations that HYBE rookie group Elite had copied New Jeans. So in the exchange, V reportedly commented that there always plagiarism talk, it never does not came up, adding that BTS V said he had seen the situation and thought it looks similar, and because V this reply is in Minhyejin favor, and that's why Minhyejin legal team presented these messages to support her concern about possible plagiarism in the court, and the court considered these messages as part of her argument, which helped Minhyejin to win lawsuit. However, here's the twist that we had no idea his private words would be used in court. So after the news broke, we addressed the situation directly on the Instagram. He explained that the conversation was a private exchange shared out of the empathy with an acquaintance, not a public statement or an attempt to take side in the dispute. BTS V said he was very taken aback that such a casual personal chat had been submitted as legal evidence without his consent. Later, even HYBE also shared an official statement clarifying that BTS V message was meant to express empathy in a personal chat and not to support any legal claims. HYBE emphasized that V was never part of the lawsuit and that the message should not be interpreted as him agreeing with anything in the court case. So the unexpected involvement of BTS V in Minhyejin and HYBE court case has sparked strong reaction online. Many armies have expressed frustration that his private messages were used in court without his permission, and many fans also show concern about the potential impact on BTS V image, especially since both BTS and Elite are under HYBE. So what's your thoughts on BTS V this situation?